Hey, Brantley Williams here today with North Trail RV, and today we're going to be exploring the brand new 2026 Airstream Stetson 4/6 edition. Now, some of the things that are special about this model is, see the ruby red finish on the awning? That's actually designed to mimic the color of the barns for the 4/6's ranch, which is a legendary Texas American icon. Speaking of American icons, Stetson has been in the business of making hats for the Western industry for a long time, just like Airstream has been in the business of making Airstream since 1931. Some of the other things that are interesting about the outside is you get this beautiful red belt line to match the awning. And just like other 27-foot class trailers, this has the sealed bearings that are maintenance-free, along with the torsion axles. If you go up to the front here, one thing that separates this particular unit is it has a special cover going over the 270-degree windows in the front. This solar guard would normally just be black, but it actually has a cowboy scene set in the back to really get the cowboy vibes going. Stainless steel rock guards in the front, two 30-pound LP tanks, electric jack, and a 2 5/16 ball. Now, this awning is also powered, so that's one less thing that you have to handle yourself. And the controls for the outside stabilizers are going to be behind this panel here. One switch for the front, one switch for the back. All right, so one other really nice touch is on the aluminum guards for these for the patio door here. You've got an awesome cutout that looks just like a Stetson hat, and then again, some more branding for the 4/6's ranch up here on the top. And let's move around to the back and look at one of the stars of the show with the Stetson trailer, and that is this hatch. So one of the things that makes this awesome is it exposes the dinette right here in the back. You've got a black stained oak top here that gives it that really rustic cowboy vibe. There's a nice little strip down here that gives some grip when you're trying to get in and out of the unit. And also behind that, there's actually some wet storage that allows you to put things that, like your leveling blocks and the little sticks for the awnings, in an area that maybe you don't have to have as secure. But the biggest thing is, here in Florida, if you don't want the mosquitoes to carry you away, we got you covered. You get a nice little screen right here so you can enjoy your coffee without getting bit up. Now walk back around this side, and you've got the roadside awning, which again really makes it look great. And this also helps to keep about 7 to 8 degrees of temperature difference off this side in the middle of the sun. Now, moving up here, you've got the smart plug. This is 50 amp service because we got 2 AC units, and it's trapezoidal shape, so you don't have to worry about installing it the wrong way like those old circular style ones. The one next to it is where you're going to hook up like your cable and Ethernet coming from the campsite. You've got your washouts for the black tank, your city water connection, which has already got a regulator on it, so you don't have to buy that separately. And down here you've got your pulls for your tanks. Outdoor shower here for rinsing off your muddy boots after a long day on the trail. And this 751 key actually is where your water fill is for when you're being self-contained, so nobody has access to that. All right, one more thing I wanted to also show you up here in the front. This is the storage for your lithium batteries here in this box. It's got 2 100 amp hour battle-borne batteries with a 10-year warranty. And then underneath here, this is where you're gonna have your quick connect for your outdoor stove. So if you wanna cook something outside that maybe smells a little bit more like fish, you don't have to worry about that stinking up the whole interior. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior on this unit. Follow me. So stepping in, you're immediately hit with the smell of semi-aniline leather and rustic finishes. It's a real hit on the senses. So one thing that they do that's special for the Stetson is look at this hat rack up here. If you don't have a cowboy hat, you're gonna have to get one for this. But just in case you don't wanna bring it with you, you can also change these out for some collapsible storage bins. And it also is where the Klipsch, if I'm saying that right, audio system is actually stored. And this has a lot of boom booms. Let's just put it that way. Now, taking a look at the leather itself, it actually has some of the branding stitched right in here. This is all done by hand. And this is a really rustic finish that was purposely designed to give it that cowboy look. Again, the red runner on the floor, duplicating the colors of the outside. All right, so switching over to this side, take a look at this beautiful apron sink. This is made out of hammered copper, and I wish you could feel this right here because I could just do this all day long. Now, they also have this rusted steel looking laminate that goes on top. This is specific to this, and it actually has a texture. And it also looks really good with the residential style faucets. You have another window you can open it back here. That works a lot better when the door isn't open. And then when you open up these cabinets, you got plenty of overhead space. But again, look, even just like they're branding the cattle, they put it right into the laminate right here on the outside of the surface. Now this cowboy setup over here is actually from some of Stetson's old advertisements from long ago, and really brings together the whole motif in here. So even if you aren't roping steers, you can appreciate the look of that. Now, if you take a look at some of the storage components in here, they actually have wrapped each one of these pulls with leather. And I mean, I just can't get over the quality inside here. We've got a 3-piece burner on top. And this one actually has the convection combination microwave. So if you're really into roasting or baking cookies, you can do whatever your heart desires while you're camping with that. And then this being a 27-foot model, although it's 28 feet 2 inches in length from the middle of the ball to the bumper, has the huge pantry, along with some extra storage over the top. All right, so here we go. We're going to check out the bathrooms. First one, on this side, we're going to take a look at the potty. And this has a continuation of that hammered bronze look in here. And I love the circular shaped mirror and the rustic style lighting in here. There's some storage beneath there. And also, if you open this up, you can get access to the sink behind there. On this side, we've got the single piece shower. What makes this really nice is that there are no seams in there. So there's no caulking to do every couple of years. And it also keeps it watertight. Towards the top, there's actually a clothing line you can pull out that'll hold 50 pounds of wet bathing suits or things like that when you're drying them out. And that about does it for the shower. Now let's head back into the bathroom, but first take a look at this beautiful skylight they put in. This is the longer style one that's rectangular and that's newer to these models. And stepping back into this area, this is the Queen model. There's tons of storage underneath the bed. Now, the darker area in the back is actually accessible from an outside hatch that's weather sealed and lockable. But in here, you also have this little thing that comes down so you can access it from in here too, or from the sides of the bed whenever it's down. More rustic fixtures. The newest design for the QuietStream AC system. And like I said, this has 2 AC units, one 13.5K unit and one 15,000K unit. And they can be used in conjunction or one at a time. They also have a rheostat down here that you can just press and it slowly fades out the light instead of just switching it back on and off. And this is going to be the controls for your AC and heat pump. And you have your TV here that's already hooked up to an antenna that'll pick up all your local stations, or you can hook up like a Roku stick or something like that and bring your shows with you. All right, so finishing off here, I just wanted to give you another idea of what this looks like when you sit down to have your coffee. No matter what you're backed up to, you're going to have the best view in the house with the combination of the 270-degree windows and this awesome hatch. And basically, if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And if there's any other models that you want us to do, please let us know in the comments. And this is Brantley Williams signing off for Airstream of South Florida. Have a great day.